I think it's a very strong initiative because it helps the students prepare at a very fundamental level, and nurturing them for months before the final exams gives them that additional boost. He is very strict, very punctual. At Learning Ant, I have found that the teaching is far better than other institutions. I'm Laksh Agarwala, studying in class 11 in the Pravesh batch NEET in Learning Ant.
Laksh, tell me about your daily routine. So how does a day look like in your life?
Well, the normal school life is as it goes. I come back from the school, and if I have any homeworks, I do it after an hour or two of rest, and then I go down to play or do some fitness activities as required, and then I work on my tuition assignments or any DPPs that I have left pending, or just some concepts in advance to better cope with the upcoming syllabus.
Okay. So when do you usually have your classes at Learning Ant, and when do you have tests?
I have my classes during the weekends, and the tests are also after the classes on weekends, especially on Saturdays. And I have tuitions almost the entire day from the morning till the evening, and the test is accommodated in between.
So Laksh, you are not a part of K30 yet since you are in class 11, but have you heard of K30?
Yes, absolutely.
Okay, so what feelings do you have? क्योंकि एक साल के बाद आपको भी K30 में आना पड़ेगा.
Yes.
So what feelings do you have of it?
I think it's a very strong initiative because it helps the students prepare at a very fundamental level, and targeting a specific group of students individually for prolonged periods of time. I think it will enhance their capabilities significantly, and nurturing them for months before the final exams gives them that additional boost that they need for cracking their entrance.
Fantastic, Laksh. What do you have to say about daily tests? Because K30 में daily test होता है. तो will it reduce exam phobia? Like what feelings do you have of it?
Yes, absolutely. And I believe that daily tests will also help in creating a sense of time management in students, as they have to cover the upcoming syllabus for their exams, revise it, and prepare for the test as well. And this will also help them cope up with the stress that they are about to face, and definitely help in overcoming the exam phobia.
Fantastic. Coming to the most important question. मुरली सर से डांट पड़ा है तुमको?
Of course. किसको नहीं पढ़ा है?
किसको नहीं पढ़ा है? Fantastic. Another very crucial question. Who is the strictest teacher at Learning Ant?
I think Joyjeet sir.
Tell me more about it. Explain.
Joyjeet sir, he has been my mentor since class 10, and everything that he says I have to do because I know the repercussions, and it is nothing easy. He goes hard on you. He is very strict, very punctual, very informative, and also is very keen on you taking notes or paying attention in class. One day you mess up and you're done for.
You're done for good.
Yes.
Okay.
Absolutely.
So has it improved you as a person?
Yes, very much. I used to be late a lot for classes, but I am still late now, but less, of course.
I agree. Yes, you are late for classes.
And my notes have improved, my skills have improved, and my knowledge definitely has improved.
Okay, fantastic. Laksh, काफ़ी institutes में क्या होता है जब whenever we take admission, we are given a lot of goodies, a lot of t-shirt, a lot of pens, stationery, this, that, books.
Yeah.
Learning Ant में ये सब चीज़ generally we don't give.
Yeah.
Right. But still, why have you rather chosen Learning Ant?
It's not just about the merchandise that attracts me to this place. It's obviously about the learning and the opportunities I get here. No one goes to the coachings for the goods they receive, but for the service they receive. At Learning Ant, I have found that the teaching is far better than other institutions, and even the batch, even my peers, the companions which I have, they are equally well mentored, and so if there are any doubts, I can go to them as well. And the teachers are obviously very approachable, available at all times, and they are very insightful, and they help me with all the doubts that I have.
Fantastic. How would you describe Learning Ant in one word or a sentence?
Learning Ant is for all.
Fantastic. We wish you all the best, Laksh, for your future endeavors. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.